going to be reviewing this nail glue from Nail Bond. So, I actually applied this set, which is the mini minimalist manicure set, and you can get these. The glue that comes with them is just kind of weak, and so I actually always use this paint-on Nail Bond. So the first time I applied these, I obviously did it with the glue that came with the set. But this is nice because you just paint it on. You don't have to worry about squeezing it. I usually do about 2 coats, and then I usually will give it a chance to kind of set up and become tacky. And I've already picked out the nail that I want to apply. But I've had these on for about a week, and now they're starting to fall off with the glue that came with this pack. So I'm rebonding with this glue, and I can feel it kind of becoming tacky, and so I just hold it down. And I find that this glue is the least messy and the easiest to apply. And so already in that short time, it's already adhesed, it's not lifting up. And so I'm just securing it, and there's no glue spilling out around the nail and onto my finger. Perfect.
Nail bond, I guess? Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys, I did my nails, right? That's my actual nail. This is the fake nail, and it's this glue. And it's been like, what, 3-4 days? But these nails are like strong. They're not moving at all. And I'm just gonna play with my dog right now. I'm a dog mom. And I use my hands a lot. Like to do the dishes, to clean, to play with this one. And so I just wanted to play real quick with him so you could see. Literally my nails are not even falling off. Like, look. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Look how much I use my nails and to play with him. And my nails are still fine. Like, this glue is good. Like, good. Right? Right? He bites on them sometimes, and I'm still good. Still good to go. I'm still good to go. I'm still good to go. I'm still good. Like, they're fine. They're just fine. So this is a yes. He says it's a yes. Oh my god. Oh my god, you're so strong. You are so strong. Yeah, it's a yes. Okay, that's it. That's it. That's it. Leave it. That's it. Easy. Behave. Good boy. Behave.
This is amazing nail glue. I was worried that it wasn't going to work because I ordered it for something else other than what I did. I was going to just do press-ons, but I decided to do tips instead. This is my first time ever doing my acrylic nails myself. They came out okay, but the glue is just perfect. Like, unscrew it a little bit here. And yeah, so comes with like a little tiny brush. Perfect. It's like dries instantly. Instantly on contact with the nail. It was perfect because I was trying to do it like by myself using both hands or whatever, left-handed and right-handed, and so I needed to make sure that I wasn't getting any lifting. In the bottom, make sure it had complete contact with the nail, which is really hard when the nails are like this long and you're trying to put the glue on the other hand, but it worked. It worked perfectly. So yeah, it spreads nice and easy, not too much, doesn't go over the edge or anything. So yeah, I really like this glue. Great glue.
Definitely a favorite nail glue.
if you file your finger off and then apply the glue and really any nails. My nails on for anywhere between 2 to 3 weeks with this glue. Occasionally one might pop off and I just re-glue them. They definitely work best if you the top of your nail first though. But I will never buy any other brand. This is my favorite.